Hi, I'm Lulu. Thank you for checking out my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of our cabinets decorated for the holidays. And the theme is snowmen. Well, there is one snow woman as well. First, I'm going to show you the new to me snow people, which include a few items that I found at the thrift store, a couple from eBay, one thing from Etsy, and one brand new thing that I found at HomeSense. So now on with the snow. Show. From the thrift store, the Value Village at Lansdowne and Bloor, Toronto, I got this ceramic snowman. He was $2.99, those are Canadian dollars. And he has a hole in him. I'm assuming probably had a bottle brush tree in there. But I've got this little sprig of greenery to put in there for him. Then I got this artwork, Snowman. It's an original painting, or a print of an original painting in a nice green tone wooden frame from a place called Winter Wheat in Sparta, Ontario. And Sparta, Ontario is a town that's about a 2.5-hour drive west of Toronto. And Winter Wheat, I looked it up, is a place that you could go, it was a destination to go visit and walk through the woods and see some interesting buildings. And they had a shop. It was established by an artist, and this is her work. But the whole place burned down in 2019, so it's permanently closed now. So I was happy to find this at the thrift store. I like the little rabbit there, and that was $1.99. And then the third thrifted item was this grab bag of Christmas cards. They had this one on the very front. The whole bag was $3.99. And this one, I was pretty sure it was a reproduction because it was in this plastic wrapping, but I didn't know anything about it. It's made by Cavallini and Company cards from San Francisco, and it was just made in 2021. So somebody bought this last year and donated it already. Then there was this other one I could just see peeking behind, and it's this, I've seen this print before, and it's "Oh no, mistletoe," and these kids are looking in, and there's Mom and Santa, I guess Santa Dad, that's Dad with a beard. And that was made by Mary Ness, but that alone was $5.70. So I'm assuming this one was probably in the same price range. So to get the whole bag for $3.99 was a good bargain. There are others in here. I'm not that fond of this car print, but there's a box of really quite nice ones in there that I'll be using, so I'm not going to show them here. Then from eBay, I'm into these sets of Homeco figurines lately. I got the cats last Christmas, and then I had, in autumn, I had the picnic bears, and now I picked up this little family of bears. You might be thinking there's no snowman, but with these sets there's usually 5 pieces, and here are the other 2 pieces. And these are the ones that are going to be used in this display today. That little cute little snowman. And they're Homeco, probably from the 70s or 80s. And then from Etsy, I purchased this downloadable, well, it was a scan of a vintage Christmas card. They listed it as being from the 40s. Very welcoming little snowman there. I thought that was cute. So you download it, and then I just printed it myself. I did have to do a little bit of work on it on Photoshop. And then the final new to me item to show you might be the beginning of a new collection. This is from HomeSense, and it's a Joanna Parker piece. And I think this is more common in America. I have not seen too many of them in Canada. As a matter of fact, I was looking at Halloween because she has great Halloween ones. that I've seen online, but I didn't see any at the shop. But that was cute. All right, now let's look at the display. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that was fun for you, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Bye for now.